Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa Berkan Yıkılmaz and I am a first year student in Computer Engineering Department at Bilkent University. And today I will be showing you my Physics 102 lab experiment. In the first part, I will connect resistors in series and parallel to understand how current and the total resistance of the circuit changes. And here is the experiment setup that I have built. As you can see, I've connected the circuit with a power supply with 20 volt, and here you can see the series two resistors connected in series, and here is the multimeter that I will look for the current. And I built this experiment with resistors connected in parallel, as you can see in the photo. And I have connected different resistors with different magnitudes and collect the current data for all of them. Hello everyone again. In the second part, I will explain the Kirchhoff laws and experiment how current law and voltage law works. For that purpose, I have built that circuit. I'm calculating the voltage passing through a resistor, and at the end of the experiment I will loop each of the loops in the circuit, and from voltage I will calculate the currents, and I will compare the currents in each loop in the circuit. Thank you.
In the first part of the experiment, I've observed the total current passing through the circuits, where two resistors are connected in series or parallel. On the left side, you can see the total current and equivalent resistances for series connection, whereas on the right side, you can see the data for the parallel connection. As you can see, experimental and theoretical results of the equivalent resistances are very close to each other, and therefore the error is rather low for this experiment. Since the circuits were not very complex, it is reasonable to have such low errors. One of the reasons of existing error might relate it to the condition of the resistors. As it can be seen, the circuits built with 150 and 270 ohm resistors resulted in a higher percentage error than the others, because of some deficiencies of the resistors might cause this high percentage error. In the second part of the experiment, I built two circuits to test if results I will find will contradict with the Kirchhoff's laws. Here, you can see the data for junction rule and loop rule. The summations of currents on junctions were very close to zero. The summations of voltage differences around the loops were not as close to zero as the summations of currents did, but still they are not so far from zero. The results shows that Kirchhoff's laws are valid. However, the reason why the summations are not exactly zero might be the complexity of the circuits. With the circuits becoming more complex, the difficulty of collecting accurate data also escalating because of the factors that starts to affect the data. Thank you.